Unlock your creative vision with the perfect DSLR in hand. From breathtaking landscapes to high-speed action, today's top cameras deliver unmatched image quality, lightning-fast autofocus, and professional-grade video. Whether you're just starting out or ready to upgrade, stick around as we showcase the best DSLRs that will transform your photography forever. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Canon EOS Rebel SL3, the best budget DSLR camera. Capture breathtaking images with the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, your best option for a budget DSLR. This camera excels in portability, making it an ideal partner for travel and outdoor escapades. Newcomers to photography will appreciate its intuitive control layout, allowing for quick navigation without overwhelming complexity. You'll find the fully articulated touchscreen especially handy, enabling creative angles and easy selfies. Its impressive APS-C sensor delivers stunning image quality that rivals more expensive models, such as the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. If you compare it with the Nikon D3500, the SL3 shines with more versatile features. While the D3500 includes a helpful guide mode, it lacks a movable screen and 4K video capability, which enhances your creative options with the SL3. Admittedly, the autofocus system is simpler than those on higher-end options, yet this design aids beginners in honing their skills. It's less daunting, allowing you to concentrate on learning photography fundamentals instead of struggling with complicated tech. What truly stands out is the marriage of user-friendliness with high-quality results. This combination gives you the confidence to explore your passion for photography. While some advanced features may be absent, the SL3 remains impressive and delivers everything you need as a novice. Think that was powerful? Up next is a pro-level marvel built for the speed and precision demands of professionals. At number 4, we have Canon EOS 1DX Mark III, the best DSLR camera for professionals. Canon EOS 1DX Mark III is a game-changer in the camera world. Designed for professionals, this camera blends speed and accuracy exceptionally well. You'll love the deep learning autofocus. It tracks subjects flawlessly, making action shots a breeze. An optical smart controller allows for quicker navigation, which helps you capture spontaneous moments without missing a beat. I appreciate the advanced features like CF Express support for faster data transfer. This means you won't waste time waiting on uploads after a shoot. HEIF and HDR-PQ support elevate your images, giving them vibrant colors and deep contrasts. You can shoot internal 4K RAW at 12 bits, which is a significant improvement for serious videographers. While the camera is impressive, its weight could be more manageable, especially during long shoots. However, this build quality contributes to its robust performance, making it feel durable and reliable in various conditions. With AF head tracking features, you'll gain precision like never before. The integration of DSLR speed with mirrorless accuracy makes this hybrid body versatile for any photographer's needs. Plus, uncropped 4K video recording sets it apart from the competition, allowing creativity without limitations. Impressed by that performance? Stick around. Our next pick masters both stunning stills and cinematic video. Still searching for the perfect DSLR camera? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, the best DSLR camera for stills and video. Capture stunning moments with the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. This camera stands out as the best DSLR for both stills and video, making it a favorite among professionals. You'll appreciate the 30 megapixel resolution, which delivers impressive detail for most photography needs. Many users find this level of clarity perfect for prints and enlargements, allowing your creativity to shine. When it comes to video, shooting in 4K lets you craft high-quality footage, though be prepared for larger file sizes. Autofocus performance truly enhances your shooting experience. Thanks to Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF, transitions between subjects feel seamless while shooting in live view or video modes. Quick and accurate focus helps you capture essential moments without the frustrating delays. Another highlight is its sturdy, weather-resistant design. Photographers need equipment that can withstand tough conditions. This reliability allows you to focus on your art, no matter the environment. While some users may find the cropped 4K video limitation less appealing compared to rivals, It encourages mindful framing and composition. This thoughtful approach could refine your photography skills. What I love most about the 5D Mark IV is its ability to deliver consistent quality across a range of settings. You can rely on it during any shoot, which adds confidence to the creative process. Want to reach for the stars? Wait until you see the camera perfected for breathtaking astrophotography. At number 2, we have Pentax K-1 Mark II, the best DSLR camera for astrophotography. Pentax K-1 Mark II stands out as a top choice for capturing stunning night sky images. Its rugged, weather-sealed design ensures durability during outdoor adventures. Built to withstand the elements, this camera ensures reliability even in challenging conditions, which is vital for night shoots. A remarkable feature is the in-body sensor shift image stabilization. Unlike competitor DSLRs, which rely on lens-based stabilization, this 5-axis system works with any lens you choose. Imagine taking razor-sharp images without worrying about camera shake, especially when shooting long exposures. Astro Tracer mode shines brightly for stargazers. It cleverly compensates for Earth's rotation, preventing stars from appearing as streaks. This nifty feature transforms your night sky captures into impressive portraits of celestial bodies. It's a game changer for anyone serious about astrophotography. With a powerful 36-megapixel full-frame sensor, you enjoy crisp detail and depth in your photos. Although the 33-point autofocus system may seem a bit dated, it still performs adequately in most situations. Just be mindful that live view autofocus can be slower than you'd expect, especially when lighting conditions change. What I love most is how versatile this camera is for various photography styles. It thrives in diverse settings, from landscapes to portraits, making it a reliable companion. That was spectacular, but get ready. Coming up is the ultimate all-rounder that eclipses them all. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Nikon D850, the best DSLR camera overall. Capture moments like never before with the Nikon D850, truly the best DSLR camera overall. This powerhouse excels, whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned pro. You'll love the stunning 45.7 megapixel sensor that brings out mesmerizing detail in every shot. Colors pop beautifully, whether you're photographing vivid landscapes or soft portraits. If speed excites you, its impressive 7 frames per second burst rate, or 9 with a battery grip, impresses as you track fast-moving subjects effortlessly. Perfect for sports and wildlife, this camera keeps you ahead of the game. Low light performance also shines. Quick autofocus and excellent ISO performance allow you to capture sharp images at night without worry. Astrophotographers will appreciate the thoughtful design featuring backlit buttons that enhance usability in darkness. Video enthusiasts will enjoy the flexibility of 4K UHD and stunning 8K time-lapse capabilities. Weather sealing stands out, protecting against dust and moisture for those adventurous shoots in various conditions. You'll find compatibility with a huge range of f-mount lenses, allowing for tailored creative choices. While buffering speed may not keep pace with some newer models, this characteristic just emphasizes the D850's proven durability and reliability over the years. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best DSLR cameras. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which DSLR camera you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.